Now eat it in that face.
Now eat it in that face. Say, that's why you didn't get Yeah, she ate it in your face. I know you're going to say that, yes, that's so cute. But look at the end. She ate it in your face.
The aha, you can eat now. The aha, you can eat now.
Okay.
I need it.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, we walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best.
It's Azalea, and today I am cooking Krusty's pumpkin spice coffee house style. And the ingredients are 2/3 cup of water, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. Up here. Okay, so we got the water, we got the oil, the vegetable oil, and just in case we have a measuring cup, and we have the mix. So first we have to heat the oven. First we have to pour in the mix. So all we do is pour all of it in until it's all gone. This is gonna take a long time.
Rip it up a little bit.
Okay. Oh, it got on my hand. Okay. And
Put it in the box.
done. And I put it in. Well. Okay. So next we put in the cup of water, 1/2. So let's use the measuring cup. 1/2 is right here. Oh no, that's 12. 1/2 is all the way up here. Oh no, that's 2/2. 2/3. Oh, sorry.
Oh, just pour it.
And
Pour it. That's 2/3.
okay, so that's 2/3.
Pour it in.
And now we pour it in. Well, we don't have all of it, but that's okay, right? Okay. So now we need some vegetable oil and 1/3. Okay. So 1/3 is already right here. So, oops, we don't have enough, guys.
That's good.
That's good though, but it's 2/3. Okay, so all we're gonna pour is 2/3 since we don't have enough vegetable oil. Okay, so now we have to put in the 2 eggs.
Table.
Oops, I forgot. Okay, so now we put in now we open the egg. Now, okay, now the next one. Okay, and now I open the egg. I hope there isn't any shells in there. I hope there isn't any shells in there. But now we have to mix it.
Whisk it.
but I hope we don't have any shells in here. Well, I did practice when we made French toast, and I started getting good. And you might remember when Mommy accidentally put one of the shells in with almost finished, guys. Well, now I'm finished. Now let's put this to the side. And let's pour some in the container. But first, let's put the cupcake. Oops, okay. Let's just pour it in the container. Let's pour it up to 1/5.
All of it.
Oh, okay. So let's pour all of it. Oh, not too much is in there. I hope it didn't use too much. Oh my god! Whoa, that was a lot, guys. But we still have more, right? Oh. Oh, no! Oh! That almost fell. Yeah. Okay, now let's pour it.
Move over.
Oh.
That's over. Turn it.
Oh, okay. Now let's move this over. Oh, sorry. You could probably hear the noise since, well, now we're going to put these in there so it won't be hard to, well, since we could get the cupcakes since we could get the crusties and the cupcakes. If you don't have enough, we only have 3, 6, 9. So we only have 9. But that's okay. Well, let's just pour it in now and hope we have enough.
Not up to the top, just pour.
Okay.
Mommy?
Stop.
Okay.
Mommy?
Ooh.
Saya, leave the wood.
And stop.
And stop. Stop. What? How is Saya making it?
Oh.
Whoa.
Oops. That's a mess.
Keep
Well,
going.
we're going to clean that up later. Oh, I want to keep making a mess. Need to clean up the
Wait.
spots.
Okay.